house. Bong,
Yes, apa?
driving.
Hoy.
How many tickets do you have, Bong? Ticket zero?
Yeah, we're driving up to San Bernardino Mountain.
What is this? A forest? A park or what? A recreation?
Croatian area.
Bong is very serious, you know? See?
Yeah?
He's in the hospital right now.
Parang yung ano kanina, pastor ah.
Very serious. He's in the hospital. Ang galing mo, pre.
Kailangan maging serious eh kasi nasa sigsag tayo eh.